This video shows the use of a Flexpacker quickly and easily to pack a prep column. Flexpacker uses dynamic axial compression to pack the column, after which the piston is blocked and the column can then be removed for normal operation. We start by attaching the piston to the hydraulic jack. This is done by attaching it with the screw which is on the end of the jack. This ensures the piston is aligned with the jack and the two are concentric. The next thing to do is to put slurry into the column in order to pack it. We take approximately 1 gram of packing material to 2 mils of slurry solvent, mix them up and then pour into the tube. The weight of silica used depends upon the packing density, which is usually be somewhere between 0.55 and 0.6 grams per mil, and the length of the column that you really need to pack. So we put the slurry into the column, make sure the top is clean, there's no silica splashed on top of there, and then we put the column into the jack. This fits into a slot which ensures that the column is concentric with the piston, and then we put in a blocking piece which prevents the column from moving from under the piston to make sure the piston goes directly into the center of the column. We open the tube running from the top of the piston, put it into a reservoir, and then lower the piston to make sure there's no air above the slurry before we start the packing procedure. Once the piston reaches the top of the slurry, some solvent starts to be expelled from the top tube. Stop the piston at that point and close the valve on the outlet from the piston. Then we open the outlet at the bottom of the column, put that into a suitable reservoir. Adjust the packing pressure and then start pushing the piston down to pack the column. Packing pressure is often somewhere between about 50 and 70 bar on the column. And you see that slurry solvent is being expelled from the tube as the piston descends. Once the column is packed, the piston stops. There may be a creaking noise as the bed consolidates, but this is quite normal and there's no problem. The star blocking piece is then screwed to the piston in order to block the piston, make sure it doesn't move once the column is taken off the jack. All that remains to be done now is for the jack to be removed from the column, for the jack to be raised out of the way, and the column to be removed from the system. So we unscrew the jack, then we raise it so it gets out of the way of the column, then remove the blocking piece, and then we can pull the column out from under the jack. And the column is now ready for use. To unpack the column is pretty much the same operation, only we use the piston to push the packed bed out of the column rather than to pack it into the column. First we remove the flange from the bottom of the column. The packing material stays in the tube, it doesn't come out swooshing out, there's no issue with wet beds and things, it's a very tight packed column. Now in order to do this we need to remove the star from the piston to make sure that otherwise the piston couldn't go down into the column. So one removes the jack from the piston, unscrew the nut, raise the jack, and then we can remove the star from the piston. Once that's out of the way, we can reattach the jack to the piston and then get on with unpacking the column. Okay, the jack's now attached to the piston. We increase the pressure so we can push the packing material out of the tube into the piston bag. You'll note that the packing material extrudes as a very solid, coherent rod of packing material. Sometimes it breaks as it comes out, but there is no excess solvent to worry about. The bed is really quite dry, and it's very quick and easy to divide off, ready to be reused for the next column. So once the packing is extruded, the piston reaches the bottom end of the column, and it stops because it reaches the end of the jack. And there's nothing more left to do than to clean the system up, remove the piston from the column, clean up the column, and then it's ready to be repacked in the same way.